Hey, you're fat. What do you mean? I'm not fat. I'm not fat at all. Yeah, I'm not fat at all. You're fat. You need to go transportation, walking, exercising. You need to go walk. Okay? Hey, Brent, let me do that. Hey, I will be showing you how to exercise. So I'm going to start over here. And I'm going to walk. Oh, what? I'm exhausted. Okay, gotta keep going. I know. It's too long. It's really all over again. Second one. The camp was buddy. Alright. Just my sunglasses. Go on me. Oh God, no.